Let me show you how to take your bike out of tip mode the easy way. Let's go. What is up? It is your favorite moto vlogger back with another video. And I want to wish each and every one of you a great 4th of July. I hope you stay safe. I am hard at work in the lab right now working on the next video, but I thought I would drop 2 tips that are going to make your life easier. If you are riding a 2024 Street Glide or Road Glide, I got a couple nuggets for you that are going to make your life a lot easier. Now, the other day, guys, I took the bike out, I had it on a jack, lowered it from the jack, and all of a sudden the bike tip mode came on. Now, for all of you who don't know what that is, check out the link below. Man, check it out. If you ever see this warning light, don't be alarmed, fellas. What it is if the bike senses you've tipped it or you've dropped the bike, actually it is going to trip a sensor and go into tip mode. Now I'm going to show you fellas how to get out of that mode and get back on the road if that ever happens to you. Also, I am going to show you, since you guys are going to be traveling out there and trailering those bikes, you got to make sure you put that bike into transport mode, or otherwise you're going to run your battery down because all the vibrations going to flash those lights and that battery is going to run down quick. So I'm going to show you how to put that bike into transport mode. And guys, we're going to rock and roll. Let's get into it. Let's get that money. Before we get started, I want to show you a little bit of a tip. Some of you may know this, some of you may not, but before you start to do anything on your bike, instead of twisting the button back, I want you to take this, hold that button down right there, and then you see the bike is going to go into accessory mode right there, and then you're able to work and do all your settings and things that you're trying to do without running the battery down. Let's get started. Yes, sir. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the bike out of tip mode and that sensor. So first things first, you've got to cut the bike on. Now you guys are going to see that warning light right there. You guys see that? It says bike tipped, and it is going to look ultra crazy to you. So what you got to do first off, you got to make sure the bike is in neutral. I've got it in neutral. I'm going to go ahead and cut the bike off right here. We're going to wait 10 seconds. We're going to cut the bike back on. And again, you guys are going to see that display right there. And you'll notice you're going to see the lights, flashers blinking right there. So all you're going to do after the 10 seconds is up, you're going to hit the flashers right here. Now, after you hit the flashers and everything is all set, guys, you should be right back up in regular mode and ready to rock and roll. Yes, sir. So now let's turn everything over to how to put the bike in sport mode. Guys, this is so easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. First, I'm going to walk you through the steps. What you're going to do is turn the bike off. As it's turning off, you're going to grab right here. This is the high beam light, and this is the left blinker. You're going to hold them together like that, and that is going to put the bike into sport mode. Now, we're going to go ahead and show you how it is in full motion. So now let's cut the bike on real quick. All right, so now the bike is on. So we're going to shut the bike off, and then we're going to hold these 2 buttons here. And then, guys, voila, you see that popped up, and it is just in transport mode now. Now, to take that off, all you've got to do is start the bike back up, and it is all turned off. That is so easy, and it will save you a huge headache when you are transporting your bike. And another reason that you can put the bike in transport mode. Now, guys, I go to a lot of events, a lot of sound competitions, things of that nature, and the music is super, super loud. And if my bike is close, the vibration could set off all the lights and drain the battery slowly down. So another reason, if you go to any type of events where there is loud music or anything that's super loud, fireworks, you guys are going to be going for the 4th of July, throw the bike in transport mode so that you give yourself some extra security so that you don't come out after and your batteries ran down because of all the vibrations and all of that. So just another tip for you, man. You guys know what I'm going to say. Until next time, keep those 2 wheels down. Peace. Hey, leave me something in the comments below. Let me know if these tips are helping you out, man. But right now, I'm about to jump on Clark Kent and hit the road. Peace.